Hi, I need to replace a Bryant Zone Perfect Plus thermostat controlling 2 zones. My contractor is quoting $1,300 plus to replace it and says there are no cheaper alternatives. Is there any simpler aftermarket thermostat that would work? Thanks.
Greetings, $1,300 is ludicrous for a mere thermostat. Thermostats, however, do not control 2 zones, the zone controller does that. It appears that the dealer is trying to sell you a thermostat for zone control system prices. Click here for the manual on that zone controller that shows both the zone controller big box with lots of wire connections, and also shows the mere common thermostat connections and optional communicating thermostat connections. They mislabel as the controller connections. No one else in the industry does that. It is revealing that Bryant shows standard common as dirt thermostat connections and their proprietary thermostat connections, but does not label them as thermostat connections but instead calls their thermostat options a controller. The confusion is unnecessary. I cannot speak to the motives. Bryant is a decent company. Lately it seems selling very advanced, and somewhat failure-prone, systems, no doubt enabling their dealers to move into the high-profit end of the controls business. Their manual that I have posted here is apparently designed to discourage other thermostat options. If your existing thermostat has only 4 wires, it is the Bryant communicating thermostat, you will be stuck with that. Cost to replace just that item should be under $400.
If your thermostat has 5 or more wires attached, labeled R, W, Y, G, AB hum, oh, then you have a standard non-communicating thermostat that they show will work with their zone controller.
Cost to replace the thermostat could be as low as $100 for the part and $100 for the labor, depending on what humidity control options are involved with your system. None of this is easy, and their manual, while defensible, is not an effort to enable easy application to competitor products by other than trained Bryant techs. Important note about rating my work: I am a retired mechanical engineer and HVAC/electrical/refrigeration and boiler contractor, with 56 years in this business. The last 20 of those years consulting for major firms nationally. All I ask is please select the rating link at the top of your page. That is the only way I am credited through the site. Rating does not affect your charges nor ability to refund if not satisfied. If you need to be coached through a full diagnosis/repair, and wiring, etc. for up to 2 days, and wish to be trained to use test instruments. That goes well beyond just a simple answer, of course. Rate my simple answer so far positively. And I will deliver that training and coaching to you all on the same dime, so to speak. Attach a close-up photo of the wiring diagram glued to the inside of the blower access door, and I will mark it up with troubleshooting instructions, then follow up with step-by-step training and coaching until you have a solution. Photo must be exceedingly well focused. Use the Add Files link next to your Send button to get the photo tone. Phone call offers: if you wish to accept the company's $25 phone call offer, if indeed they send you one, this will go a lot faster, but it is 100% optional. Or we can continue here in this dialog box at no additional charge.
Thanks, Phil. I don't seem to be able to attach photos, but it's a 4-wire controller. I guess they are using a proprietary wiring scheme, V+, VG, RS+, RS, but do these do anything different than every other manufacturer's 4 wires? I'd really like to just replace the controller with another brand if possible, since I could do that myself. Do you think that's possible? I can't even buy a Bryant part without going through a dealer. Thanks again, Travis.
Hello again. The Bryant communicating thermostats, like all others of the type, are proprietary, and also proprietary the particular system is part of. Virtually no interchangeability with other thermostats, even other communicating thermostats. It's not accidental emo, it's a way to not only capture the replacement market for thermostats, but to capture the customer. Try http://www.shortyschwarz.com. There is a slim chance they will be able to sell you that thermostat. They will need a photo of it and all of the numbers from its back side.
Thanks, Phil.
Let me know how it goes.
Well, I paid the $1,300 for the new controller. Not ideal, but there didn't seem to be a cheaper solution that could control the zone system. If I have to replace it again, I'll probably replace the zone system as well. Thanks for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.